Hey guys, my name is Dave. If you're into sales and have a great product or service, you've probably already caught the interest of a potential customer. But now, the big question is, how do you close the deal? If you're new to sales, it can be challenging to know how to turn that first conversation into a clear yes. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step guide to mastering the art of closing sales. Why does learning how to close sales matter so much? Mark Hunter, a consultative selling expert, has said, the sale doesn't happen until the customer says yes. Everything before that is just preparation. Closing is the final step of the sales process, where the potential customer agrees to buy your product or service. But it's more than just asking for a yes. It's about making the customer feel confident and understood in their decision. So here's how to close sales with confidence, step by step. First, always start by understanding what your customer wants. Ask open-ended questions like, what challenges are you facing right now? Or, what would an ideal solution look like for you? Avoid yes or no questions. Ask questions that start with how, what, or why to get the customer talking so you can figure out how to help. Next, build trust. People buy from those they like and trust. To build a real connection with them, listen carefully, match their tone, and share helpful advice. Matthew Dixon, a sales expert, once said, trust comes from helping them solve their problems, not just from talking about your product. So, if someone says, I hate when support takes forever to respond, you might share a story about how your team replies to most tickets within 10 minutes. Show them you understand and that you care. Now it's time to present your offer. Remember, focus on benefits, not just features. Don't just say, our software has 10 dashboards. Say, with our dashboards, you can quickly see what's working in your campaigns and make smarter decisions. That's called a value proposition. It's a clear, short way to show how your product helps. What if the customer brings up concerns? Well, that means they're thinking seriously. Common objections like, it's too expensive, or I need to think about it, are totally normal. Stay calm and understand better what's holding them back. Say, let's look at what you're getting and how much money it will save you. Or, what are you thinking over? One of the all-time greats at sales, Tom Hopkins, once said, objections aren't rejections, they're just requests for more info. Finally, once you've handled objections, it's time to close the sale. There are lots of ways to do it, so find a style that works for you. You can use the assumptive close. When would you like it delivered? Or try the urgency close. This deal ends Friday. Want me to lock it in for you now? There's also the direct close. Would you like to move forward with this today? Or the summary close. So you'll save time, increase leads, and get 24/7 support. Ready to get started? No matter which method you choose, speak with confidence. If you believe in your product, they'll feel that. You're not being pushy. You're offering a real solution to their problem. Closing should feel like the natural next step in a good conversation. Closing the deal isn't the end. It's the beginning of a long-term relationship. Always follow up to thank them. Make sure they're happy. And let them know you're there to help. That's how you turn one sale into a long-term relationship. So there you have it. Closing a sale is about understanding your customer, building trust, and clearly showing how your solution can help. If you follow these steps and keep practicing, closing will be a natural part of your conversation. If you're looking to level up your sales even faster, visit revhero.io and sign up for a demo today.